Hi friends, welcome to my channel The Tech Uday. So it had been a long day since we met. So due to some projects and health issues, I just taken some gap to make videos. So in this video, let us discuss about socket programming in Java. So how socket programming works and what are the things that going to be work for a socket. So let us discuss in this video. So in this video, I just show you a basic chatting program so between client and server. So it is just like a chatting just we do in WhatsApp and Facebook and Instagram every time or on whole day. So just I make two files like my client and my server so that I explain the code and run afterwards. So let's see. First of all, my server.java, I just explain this code and then I just explain my client.java. So and run in command prompts. So in socket programming, socket is like a plugin. So for every client and server there has to be a socket that they should connect. So here the socket of our program was 333 four threes. This is a number, port number, so that a socket can connect. So every client and server should connect to a socket so that it is like electricity. So how does system work on based on electricity? So how electricity flows into the system based on a plugin. So we insert a plug into the switchboard and through that electricity flows. Like that data flows through systems by socket. So here socket is like plugin. So here the client and server should connect to same socket so that data flows from client to server or server to client. So let us see how. So here every time while executing we first start my server.java, means we have to start server first and then run client next. So let us see server. So here java.net.star, these are packages. java.io.star, this is also package. So my main class is my server. So here server socket ss equal to new server socket 4 threes. So server socket class here would create a socket for data communication. So there are different layers and different protocols and all that stuff we discuss in further classes. So because this is a basic class on socket programming, so just focus on what I say and memorize things. So this is socket ss equal to new socket. Here we create a socket object of 3333. So socket s is equal to ss dot accept. So the request is accepted here. So data input stream dan equal to new data input stream s dot get input stream. So this input stream is because to input a data from client. So when our client sends a message, so this data input stream will input that data. So data output stream d out equal to new data output stream s dot get output stream. This is because when client we have to send data to the client, so the output stream d out equal to new data output stream, this will send the data. So here buffer br equal to new buffer new input stream reader system.in. This helps because of to read data from input, I mean keyboard. To read data from keyboard we use this. So I create str. So this is a long program when we see in websites. So I just simplified this and presenting you. So here I create string objects string str and str2. So while str not equals to stop, so unless and until you type stop, the chatting is going on server and client. So this is the code on while. So it is in a, so unless you type stop, this would continue. And here str equal to dan read utf means what we have typed that was read by this str, and system.out.println client says and చెప్పి str it prints what client says, means client, in client side we type some of the code, we type some of the data, so that was read by this and prints here. So and whenever str2 be your read line and data output stream d out w write utf means this will write the data to the client. So d out dot flush, so this will flush the keyboard buffer. So previous classes I discussed about flush method. So we are closing all the streams, and this was server programming, server side code. So my client code, this socket object, we create socket object with localhost and port number is 3333. so data input stream is common, data output stream is common, buffer header is common, so string str is common, string str2 is common. So here also stop, until and unless we type stop it would run the program. So strbr here read line is used to read a line from the keyboard when we type, and write utf means write the content that is sending by the server, and flush method this clears the buffer of keyboard, and strdin read utf means it reads what server sends, the what data server is sending and prints here. So dout.close dout.close, we closes all of the things, and this was the code that I write my client and my server.java. So these two files, so we have to run these on two command prompts. So one is server command prompt and another one is client command prompt. So let us see. So first we have to, every time first we have to run server. So server is started. So next we have to run client. So I am typing hi. So when you see here client says hi is displayed, and here I am also typing hi. So due to net connection or some advancements, I just running this in my system only, so that port number is common and IP address is common. So these are running in my system two command prompts. So let us see. Hi, how are you? How are you? Fine. What about you? So you see here, so what I typed here was appearing in this command prompt, and what I typing in this command prompt is appearing in this command prompt. So this is client and server side programming. And how is your learning? Well, so here my client and my server are good, so good boys. So they are only talking about learning and all of this stuff. So here I just want to stop this. Stop. So whenever I type stop, these programs will stop. So here by the code you can understand. So what I wrote this will go into my client, client side program and executing. And what I type here, this is going to server and executing. So in the next class, let me discuss about one server and multiple clients.